Hey guys, welcome back to Engineering with Chai. In this video, we're working on SolidWorks Practice Problem number 1.7, intended for CSWA Prep. So let's dive right into it. So this problem looks like we can do it in many different ways actually. I'll start where the origin's at. So let's go for a front plane and sketch here. I'm gonna make that rectangle. Um, yeah, center rectangle, like so. We do have the dimensions for everything literally. So this is 60 and this is 100. Okay, and we need a circle. Well, do we have the references for the circle? We do have the references for the circle. So where is it? It's 30 and 50, so it's literally exactly in the center. Well, let's not take the risk here. Let's get rid of this. Let's just make a circle anywhere else and actually define it. Also, this is a diameter of 20. Use it from, okay, so this is the opposite sides. That's 30. Well, it doesn't matter. It's just 30. It's exactly there. And from the center to this side is 50. Well, it's exactly the middle either way. Doesn't really matter. Better be safe than sorry. So it's one of those moments where you have to literally do 1 plus 1 in a calculator during an exam due to the pressure. Um, so let's exit out. We know that the thickness of this, what is the thickness of this? This is 15. It's 15 in the opposite side. So features, extrude cut, extrude both, I mean, and it's blind by 30, 15. Let's change the direction. Doesn't really matter actually. Where's our front plane? Front plane's on this side, so the origin's over here. Okay, perfect. So we're working on this side. Are we going to be working this side? No, we're going to be working below here. Like, what do we want to do here? We want to do on the bottom part first, or should we? We can do the bottom part. Actually, we can do the bottom part. So let's go here and sketch here on this surface, so that we're looking for. No, let's just go for the opposite edge, because this is the side that I want to be referencing for the sake of simplicity. Okay, so we have something like a rectangle actually. It's not a center rectangle, it's a regular corner rectangle, so something like this. And let's just cut it out actually. Somewhere here like so. And then get rid of this. We have something like this. And we know that this is 30. And we do know that this length is 50. 50 is the entirety of the thing. Okay, so this is 50. And we do know that this comes out, okay, like so. And we know that um, this is 100. So select this side. This is 100. Or is it? Oh, it is 100. So this goes here. And what else do we know? Do we know this side? We should. So that's 30. And that's 15. So that's 23. What is 23? 23 is that height. Okay, this is 23. Okay, now this surface is coincided to collinear to that, but we still don't know the entirety of this. Oh, we do. Maybe. Let me just double check the 2D. This is 30. The whole is there any reference to the whole? We don't have anything referencing to the whole, but we do know that that is 50. Okay, that is 23 from here to here. This is 50. Okay. Okay, so the real trick is coinciding and fixing all of it. Let's just make the hole as well. Whereas it's 12 from there, and it's on the line with that. Okay. Diameter is 13. And it is 12 from this side. And this is coinciding to that. Okay. But we still don't know this distance. If that's 50 and the entire thing is 100, 150. Oh, so if the no, well, the entire thing is in 100. We don't know the entire thing yet. So if that's 50 and that's 100. That is 50. Well, this is interesting. Do we make any assumptions? If that is 50, what if we make an assumption here that this is also 25? Is that the assumption that we're making? Okay. And then exit the sketch. So that's what it looks like, certainly. Let's make this into an extrusion of 15. Coming upwards, like so. And then build a new thing over here on this plane. Well, not this plane actually. Can we? Well, not really. Let's make something here. Because we know the height, right? We know. Well, it's not really here that we're going to be making it. What was the lower height of this that we chose? This entire sketch. Let me go back to the sketch real quick. What was this? It was chosen as 30 plus 23. Oh, so we do have that 15 out. Okay, so we're making it on this surface. And now let's build the sketch of, what is it? Let's make something like this. Does like this. Okay, coincide this. this. Okay, pull it down here like so. Is it on that edge? I think so. That and that are co-linear. This is given to us actually. It's 25. Oh, it is. Well, it is already 25 from the previous coincide. So this is given to us, which is 15. And this length is 100. But we can just coincide this to this edge. Collinear it. And we get something like this. It's going to be out about 15 from there. So go to features, extrude 15 outwards, like so. Alright, let's take a double check at this. We have every detail. Yeah, we have everything. Okay, so let's check out volume, evaluate mass properties. We got 14817.1.63. So in 1.6672. Okay, 148.172. Perfect. Well, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.